Glossary page 2 Physics 10th class. Question 1. Electricity is a form of energy obtained from primary source like answer neutral gas. Question 2. Electromagnetic force acts between answer charged particles. Question 3. The formula for electromagnetic force is answer F is equal to Q into V plus B. Question 4. Electromagnetic induction involves the creation of answer electromotive force EMF. Question 5. Electromagnetic waves are combination of answer electric and magnetic fields. Question 6. The speed of electromagnetic waves is answer 3 multiply 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Question 7. Which of the following is not an electromagnetic waves? Answer sound waves. Question 8. Electromagnetism is the study of answer current and magnetism. Question 9. Electromotive force EMF is measured in answer joules per coulomb. Question 10. An electron gun produces answer A beam of electrons. Question 11. The electron revolves around answer the nucleus. Question 12. Electronic deal with the behavior of answer electrons. Question 13. An electroscope detects answer electric charge. Question 14. Electrostatic induction cases answer redistributions of charge. Question 15. An element is uniquely defined by its answer number of protons. Question 16. A fax machine sends answer printed page. Question 17. Frequency is the answer number of cycle per second. Question 18. Gamma rays have answer the shortest wavelength. Question 19. A glass prism can answer reflect light. Question 20. Half-life refers to answer time for half a substance to detect. Question 21. A hard disk stores data on answer magnetic material. Question 22. Hardware is the tangible components of a computer. Question 23. An image is formed when light answer passes through a lens. Question 24. ICT stands for answer information and communication technology. Question 25. Isotopes differ in answer number of neutrons. Question 26. Microwaves are an example of answer electromagnetic waves. Question 27. Infrawaves are part of answer electromagnetic spectrum. Question 28. Visible rays are detected by answer the human eye. Question 29. The unit of frequency is answer hertz Hz. Question 30. An electromotive force is created by answer moving magnetic field.